It was confirmed on Monday that Highland Council will be given £3 million funding over 2 years to build a new Gaelic-only school in the town of Portree. Scotland's Language Minister Alistair Allen also confirmed an additional £250,000 will be invested in early years learning in Gaelic.
Marianne, ich kann nicht mehr sagen, Marianne, ich kenne ihn von mich durch Sgol, agus brücke mir so nicht waren. Hoe is my help for a Sgol?
I'm a Drew Miller. I come from Sgeulachd, just outside Portree, and I've been a councillor since 1992. They're looking at the north of Skye, first of all, and there are some schools with rolls of less than 10. 10 children in a school is not healthy for the children.
Ik kon leren doen nu, in feite. Ik maak taal, en dan boers en wie Sgeulachd gaan je los met lakins. Toirt en het alle soirbhich, we ook naar de taghadh.
Is mis taghadh Sgeul, ga mi go Bun Sgoil Ghàidhlig. Ha mi vi tro vin na Gaelic van a Bun Sgoil, agus ha mi vi gen of Gaelic an Sgeulachd.
I'm one of the generations who wasn't allowed to take Gaelic, and so therefore I can't speak Gaelic, and I think I've lost out. My generation has lost out. The next obvious step is to have a standalone Gaelic school. And I don't think I'll live long enough to see a standalone Gaelic high school, but I think that's the way things should be.
Morning, Primary 2.
Morning, Mr. Finlayson.
How's everyone?
Morning, Mr. Finlayson.
My name's John Finlayson. I'm currently the head teacher at Portree Primary School, a school that's got an English medium department and a Gaelic medium department, both very successful departments.
Smisha Ashmach Karamik Hami a Portree, Snelan Sgeulachd. Mi as a Bun Sgoil show in the Portree, agus as an art school in Yokichach. There was Misha Sgoil va Bun Sgoil agus art school in leòr.
The council took a position many years ago that if there was a request from parents anywhere in the Highlands for a Gaelic medium education or for a Gaelic school, that they would support that.
Ach mar hacher as a flanna Gaelic vach econom va ter gelting da school Gaelic stiech kiu.
There are concerns among the parent body and the community about what will happen at the existing school when the Gaelic school comes. There's concern that not enough money is going to be invested in the current school. In fact, we've had no guarantees that any money is going to be invested in improving resources at the current school.
Just
because it's a Gaelic school, people are saying you're getting too much, but if you're building an English school, would they say the same? I would suggest that they wouldn't. They would be saying, oh, it's fantastic, give us more. So there just seems to be this contrary, because it's a Gaelic school. People say you don't need a Gaelic school in the first place anyway. Why do you need it? So why should you give it any money?
I think that because Portree is such a small community, that by creating a second school in a small community, you're creating a divide in the community.
Absolute rubbish. There's Gaelic medium just now and there's no split. Children are not falling out in the playground, they're not fighting. The only people that cause the splits are the parents.
Quite a substantial majority don't think it's a positive thing for Portree.
There are one or two people who are not happy about this perceived split by having a Gaelic school, but generally it seems to me that most people are happy with the situation.
Get sé seo an sùilhigh, há a cháisneocht, háastar an sgaradh, a chusper, chounspateach seo.
So we was a college go how.
It amazes me that people are against having investment in their community. I just don't understand that myself. But we'll bash on anyway.
I think it's essential that we keep the Gaelic language alive, but I also think that at times there are other issues that we have to consider.
That's pie in the sky, mar hamasad.
Isam córis a bhí an Scoil Colach ach nuair a gcoscail sé a issue.